Hello, everybody. Um, it's your boy Turkey Turkey back. I'm back with trading, not with gaming or Fortnite or any of that stuff. I've been getting into trading, and I've been studying it for maybe 3 months now. I've taken a boot camp on it. I'm a student of TGR, and I just want to document my trades on YouTube so I can look back on them later on so I can see what I did right and what I did wrong. Anyway, let's get started for today. So immediately yesterday I looked at the daily time frame and we saw that we were just going down. I look at like the general like direction of the market. And then I woke up today, I looked at the 4 hour and it looked like we retraced. And I said to myself, okay, well, we have this big fair value gap that we can just go into, right? Fill this. And so I'm like, okay, well, we can also retrace down to equilibrium. It really depends what price gives us. So then I went on the hourly, and this is where we were at on market open. Okay, I woke up at 8 o'clock, and I saw that we were going down. Like, it's only 5 minutes to show you guys. I saw this. So we were just going up, right? Asian session opened, and we saw a strong bear candle to the downside, sweeping this liquidity and clearing this liquidity as well. Swept maybe even this one. Yeah, we swept a ton of liquidity. So what I did was, well, I didn't really do anything, but I was watching Asian session yesterday, and it was just going up like this, and woke up today, and I was like, okay, so we're in uptrend on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. We were retracing on the hourly though. This big retracement, just maybe like 50% of this entire move, and the 5 minute said that it broke structure to the downside, which I'm not surprised. It's a big move, and even on the 15 minute broke structure. So I was like, okay, well, this is kind of bad because it looks bear to me, but we know that every single stock, NYSE market open, there's a liquidity sweep, right? So I was like, okay, so 5 minute break of structure, let's see where it goes. And this did move it like especially fast, so I assumed it was a liquidity sweep. We swept all these lows, and we didn't close above this low, so that pretty much confirms a liquidity sweep. Even if it did, I'd still wait for like a bullish confirmation, because we've just been going up for so long, and we needed to like fill that fair value gap, and we have these highs up here, and we got this massive just like fair value gap. We could probably retrace into there and then probably go down or whatever our market wants to do. So anyways, let's get into my entry. So after I saw that we swept all this liquidity, go to the 1 minute, and this is where I really started eyeing up the market. We went down and we just started chopping. We saw a lot of rejection to the downside. It's in a downtrend when we're going down, right? And if we just stop, so we swept liquidity, we see a little reaction off of it, but we just start seeing chop. This is like indecision in the market, like we're having pressures to both sides. It wants to go lower, but I feel like there was rejection. I'm not like an expert on this, but whatever. I don't want to speculate. I just saw some rejection to the downside, and then I saw a 1 minute break of structure right here. And there's a 1 minute break of structure right there, but I wanted more confirmation because we broke structure on the 15 minute. So I waited for more confirmation, and I was like, okay, so let's see what's going on. Go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. We broke 1 minute structure again, and then I was like, okay, so let's wait for like a 3 minute break of structure. But I saw those all the way up there, so I was like, okay, let's see what the 1 minute time frame gives us. And I was like, okay, so we went up and we filled in this fair value gap that I was eyeing up. We filled it, and I was like, okay, so now we're actually like looking to be bullish here. And this is when I started waiting for a 3 minute break of structure, and that was here. And then once we got that, I was like, maybe I'll wait for a 5 minute break of structure, just so I can be sure. And we didn't break structure on the 5 minute, but we closed above this high, which pretty much caused me to enter, alongside with the 3 minute break of structure, like around here somewhere. That caused me to enter, and we had to take profit set at the very top of this fair value gap that did get filled completely, and then we had a high that got filled up here, and in total we made around I don't want to say it in money, made like 2%. We made 2% on the day. So, whatever your, account sizes, we made 2%. So, wait, actually, let me look at what we made. Yeah, 2%, a little over 2%. And both take profits got hit. And I will say this candle, before it hit take profit 2, it was all the way down here. And it hit take profit 2, but it was just like all the way up here, bro. So I secured way more profit than I was supposed to down here, but that's okay, I guess. That happens from time to time. We ended up sweeping this high completely, and I believe we swept a couple highs up here too. What did we sweep? Okay, well, we swept nothing. We swept nothing. We just filled in this fair value gap. So, at least that's something that I kind of predicted, I guess. And now we're just, I don't know what we're doing, but yeah. So the main part that I really want to emphasize though was our entry, because my like a big mistake of mine is just entering based off of just one confluence. So it's like, just, oh my god, break of structure in 1 minute. Oh my god, it's about to go back up. No, you gotta wait, because look at this. It's not like we're gonna get stopped out, because my stop loss would have been below here, but there have been times where the S&P pulled some BS on me, bro. So I waited for like a second confluence, continuation of structure, and then 3-minute, 5-minute breaker structure, continuation of structure. Let's see what yeah, so 3-minute break of structure right there, 5 minutes. Remember, broke structure all the way up here. This is why sometimes you can't rely on 5-minute structure, bro, for the time frame, because bro, it's just like it might not close like wherever you want it to close, and now like you have to wait for it to retrace into here. It's gonna take forever. So if you have enough support or confluence to the upside, then might as well take it if you see fair value gap entry, 3-minute break of structure, whatever is like on the higher time frame, kind of, but not really. Whenever it's just showing rejection to the downside, saying, hey, look, we're going bull, and we have a lot of liquidity to the left side, and the overall trend is going along with the future trade that you're going to take. So that was today's trade, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.